Let's make this honey butter cornbread from scratch. So we're starting off with 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of coarse cornmeal, 3 teaspoons of baking powder and 3/4 teaspoons of salt, a 1/2 cup of sugar. Then we're going to combine this really well. I'll have the full recipe in the description box below. Once it's well combined, we're going to go ahead and add a cup of buttermilk. And we're also adding 1/3 cups of melted butter and 1 egg. We're going to whisk that until it's fully combined. You could also use vegetable oil in place of butter, but butter gives it a better flavor. I'm just adding a little bit more buttermilk because I wanted the batter a little bit more thinner. Once that's really combined, then we're going to add our batter to our greased pan, and you want your pan to be well greased. This helps to give the cornbread a little extra crust if you prefer your cornbread with more crust. Once we pour this in, then we're going to bake at a 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes or until it's golden brown. Then we're going to remove that and we're going to just dredge this with some honey butter. I'll have the recipe for the honey butter in the description box below as well. And I'm just going to add to this some extra butter on top. I use unsalted butter for the topping. And then once that's all melted in, you can slice your cornbread up and serve it with whatever you like. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy this recipe and have a wonderful holiday season.